Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Microwaving metal objects can be extremely dangerous. Metals can cause sparks and fire hazards due to the interaction with the microwave's electromagnetic waves. This not only risks damaging the microwave but could also lead to a fire in your home. Always ensure that no metal items like foil, utensils, or metal-trimmed containers are inside the microwave when in use. For safe heating, use microwave-safe containers made of glass, ceramic, or microwave-safe plastic.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.